Student's Guide to Essential Makeup Kit. College is so busy that it's often hard to find time to even pick out something decent to wear, let alone put on makeup. There are certain products that should definitely be a part of a college girl's beauty kit. These are perfect for getting ready on the go. One of the popular wholesale backpack manufacturers have designed cool makeup bags that are perfect for the students at school/uni. Let's read on to find out about the beauty essentials of the academic life. Moisturizer with SPF. Long walks to class can leave your skin exposed to the sun for a long time, even during the winter season. Hence, to protect your youthful skin, opt for a moisturizer cum sunscreen. This saves money as well as space in your kit. BB cream. School is stressful, and all that stress often causes breakouts and uneven skin tone. But with a drop of BB cream on your face, the skin will get the moisture and sheer coverage it needs to look its best. It is lighter than a foundation, so you won't look like you're wearing a ton of makeup. Your face will look fresh and glowy. Highlighting powder. If you have dull skin, then try sweeping a highlighter over your cheeks to wake up your face. You can even apply your highlighter to the inner corners of the eye with some black mascara for creating a great look for the party after class. Eye makeup. If you want to open up those tired eyes, an eyeliner and clear mascara is all you need. These are perfect for those mornings when you don't have time for a full face of makeup, and an eyeliner is perfect for creating a look which is presentable and pretty. Lippy goodness. Lipstick, lip gloss, lip tints. You have so many options to choose from. The best part of lip gloss and tints is that these multitask as blush and liquid eyeshadow. Bullet lipsticks are also perfect for women with dry skin as it's creamy and adds a natural pinkish glow to the skin. Roll on perfume. There are going to be those days when you're running from class to the gym, back to class, and to student council meetings in between. Sometimes you just don't have time for a shower when you need it. A sweet smelling perfume always does the trick. There are certain essentials that will help you to feel more fresh, clean, and confident. Hence, make sure to carry a kit that will help you to keep all the belongings in one place. One of the popular gym bag manufacturers have also come up with an exclusive collection you can invest in.